Number one, I need you to shift your focus. And this is something that I really struggle with getting women to do, is to shift their focus. Okay. Because I'll be like, right, this is what we're going to do. And I get, Jen. And I go, this is what we're going to do. And they go, Jen. And I'll put something else to someone else and I'll say, this is what we're going to do. And they go, Jen. And that's where the food noise comes in, because it's, Jen, shouldn't I only be eating 1200? But Jen, shouldn't I only be eating 1200 calories? But Jen, isn't eating fat going to make me fat? But Jen, and can you see where that food mindset and that food noise keeps popping up to block you? And that's what keeps us stuck in these yo-yo dieting cycles, because we start to get access to the right information, and then we have this rubbish bin or this trash can that's full of all of this stuff that we've accumulated over the years, and that's what keeps coming up. So I need you to, number one, shift your focus. Instead of, I'm trying to lose weight, to, I'm going to learn how to eat properly. It's a really, really simple shift. So go from, I'm going to lose weight or I'm trying to lose weight, to, I'm going to learn how to eat properly. Because what it does is it changes the way that you do things.